Today I'm making a first impression video about the Pelican Exodry 30. I was looking for a dry bag to bring on my next bike expedition, and that one, it could have been this one. Actually, this will not be, because I'm going with a Sea Line Pro duffel bag, another level of bag, really incredible bag. I talk about it in this video, but this one, even if it's not the one that I will leave with, I think it's an unbelievable bag. And especially, well, it's a great bag, but the price is unbelievable. It's incredible all what you have for the price it is. And with the quality I can see on the bag, I don't understand why it is this cheap. Really. So you got a 30-liter backpack that is totally dry. So if I just ship this like that, as you can see, it's airtight, so there's no water that will go inside. You've got this little zipper outside. Of course, this one is not submersible. They say the bag is not made to be underwater, but I believe that you will be fine with a few minutes under the water if it's well shut over here. This one, no. Maybe it's fine against the rain, but not into water. You've got some attachment point over here, and well, you can see inside, and well, it's just a nice 30-liter dry bag. There's a hook over here also, and you can use it as a backpack. Of course, not the best backpack you will ever have, but still, I did try it with a few things inside, and well, yeah, it's great. I don't know if I'm wearing something heavy for all day long, and of course, you will get sweat at the back because it's not really breathable over here in that region, so of course, that will get wet and hot, but still, it's a dry bag. That is also a backpack, so that's great. The system to shut it is also very well done. It's very easy to shut just like that. At the back, on the top here, you've got this little pad that will help your back to breathe. And the other thing that is really great is because this bag doesn't have anything to support on your back, well, that's something you can easily take and roll just like that, and you finish with a 30-liter bag that only take this place if you want to carry it into a bigger baggage and just put some stuff into it when you go far away. Really, really well done. I will not use it in a near future, but for the price they ask, I can afford to keep it for the day I will need it. Really, really awesome bag that I will use when I will want to go out and it's rainy outside. Yes, that's the kind of stuff that I do. I will be able to carry my cameras. I will be able to carry the stuff that I worry they get wet. With this, I'll be all fine. So yeah, awesome bag. The Pelican 30 liters Exodry bag. So I hope this was helpful. See ya.